This video shows how to buy shares of Alignment Healthcare Inc. Searched as how to buy shares of Alignment Healthcare Inc. Alignment Healthcare provides Medicare-centered care coordination and technology services for older adults. It trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker ALHC. This content is educational only and not financial advice. You will need a brokerage account to buy ALHC shares. I use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, which typically requires an identity document. You will also need to add funds to the account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ALHC to find Alignment Healthcare. Confirm you have selected the NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see a brief company profile and a price chart for ALHC. Review the basic company information and the chart to confirm this is the correct asset before proceeding. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to purchase, and choose Market or Limit options. Review the order details carefully and confirm to submit. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when trading resumes. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can be completed. After the trade executes, your ALHC position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to explore the platform used in this example.